Nunti gaining the experience menya no
regional
region
level
no national no sa kunya ba beto no me hu ne se eyese mekomanim na me wo region no adwuma no ne kese pa ya regions no we ya regional chairman because we na we mobilize edom no de ma the national enti se wutimi yesa adwuma no ekọ first term ko second term na national ne you just coordinate the regions and per your constitution and national no crowd we meeting twice a year but regional chairman every week be was so called regional meeting into me experience amenya no region and we are regional chairman all the region also rely on you especially when you are the Ashanti regional chairman regions now rely on you especially we bo Africa you boni now Ashanti region ha we bo leg match all the whole matches we bo no ha FA Cup boni nyina wa nti wo pressure ne dey so say even the national chairman enti mimi hu ne say the national chairman wo dey ne say you give out your strategic decisions at the regions no say ni na mpesa circles no you run no then you make sure say the regions will also implement those decisions e ho kakra na mahu say e touch ma me hwe your circles na emredu say in marketing you say we the position of the circles now to me we are in the declining stage until
a
form until you need somebody obehwe the position you was see and e di bibia hihye mu a ebesa adane ama enigye ne odo asabam enunti as part of me vision for the circle no me say me reorganization of the circles be community based rather than as we see now not say e bia oboase ye was circles be for oboase seminya mene
so be national
chairman na mene me team no betena se ne ya reposition the circles na ba be community no only the circles no because oboase 4 circles are ye one the question is edu ba bi kwa getting leaders for the various circles no a problem and until see one person all governor of Boise circles ni nyina any CEO of Kotoko or board chairman bi betima ba se me be share supporters in Obuasi quickly you can organize all of them. That was Herbert's strategy I know use. When you say circle wo ho de ba boss will be share Kotoko supporters for her, then quickly we organize them for him no ma bekasa ye ba mampon circle 118 yenim say mampon say atre and until you give it to one person to mine it bantama circle 4 yenim say o hwe baba yara ya chestance no mu adamete wa na me kan be lines no be 28. The question is intimate fele ye di nkro no ma circles na ye ba na enim say ye say amokom sans wo ba restaurant ye di amamokom but the question is it for amokom ni nyina we need to strategize na ye segment stadium ho de ma obi ade ani ti ye ba ni hu sa ha ye hu a ene ye ba radio so ye ba be kase ene askwafo ye hu obi a wo ho na mo wo hefa
ana eno kra no betu akohia omo
that is it
ma bu so omo ha omo master
na fe so no ye the new way of supporting also abam whereby enkoye meeting de bia you can do Zoom meetings na ya hwese obia group bia bronu bia you have a WhatsApp group I do baby ye betimi ne moye meetings Zoom meetings nti adwuma no maye no mahu sinto ewom enu nti coming back no as national chairman no ekwan bebre wo ho supporting be ye stadium kra Kotoko supporters by our nature yenim dede ye we should have a stand where the master won't pay the dad don't go there. And no
say be okwa for instance
that is it
teams no more supporters ni be from all trust
me can and say ya ba sa had na yenim say dede mo obi why ready so be dede be ha na wo so okọ so ba mu gina mo na so 24/7 mo be dede akosi say ya 90 minutes no be so until we need to do a lot of things just say your support base na was your system and until as part of my strategy no so or my vision my end say ya be ma nipa supporters kakra bi be 3 4 5 yet to kwan akọ ye be select African countries ya ba ko say earlier we will let them go. They should go and learn how they support there. If we want to take the rest, maybe either Manchester or Liverpool, go there. There or more.
You supporters in the stadium.
Eco Stadium. Acquire more fast social more supporters. Then we will also come and teach because you are even as part of my reorganization schools. You need all the Ashanti regional schools no bekasa because Jesus Kotoko be there because of this. No money at the match. Yeah, Asante ma. And the match for Ibiano, Assemble Biano.
Kotoko
Hansem. And the match be or why. Seprempa, Yanuma Bekasa, you move students in about stadium. You call a year a massa. It should be a programmer, so that we can inculcate the spirit of Kotoko in them. Because Yenikui, I was seeing young woman be take over. Dumadi be brave or Honoma, I was here. Baba Bayara, say, we shall league a train where young stadium are supporters.
Even the current one,
that is it. Say, you are penny for draw graph for now. Mobile a bit descend this. No, you can't blame one person. You can't blame only support.
Chairman, before you proceed, no, regional level, why you Juma? And when some of Juma Bakopan say, but the supporters about stadium. No more share. In most cases, you didn't say, oh, say Kotoko de resort here. So resort ne bankwa their supporters ne beba stadium. Now, yenya situation at Kotoko nya resort no. Ba manfo nso nko. What exactly is the problem?
The problem no ye me fan say one, your publicity a key problem.
And
then games no power choice.
Yeah.
We are in the marketing environment. Say you have time and I boy obi so what choice obi to decide say I prefer watching this rather than some baba yara. Yeah, bobo crowd come say to the bi ha obeko baby obi nim say match ko this time. Into your publicity wise into your no nyame boa na mensaka quickly we need to meet all the radio stations in Ashanti region because your boy your home matches for Ashanti region. Then we will craft a strategy nyina be fa so amobe boaye because a project and that project will match on Sunday right from your ball watching match new year now from Monday onwards.
Agenda to get supporters.
To get supporters. And until you can say because men kwa member better ha abe kasa abe promo match no will not solve the problem. I was say yeah obi adwuma say de bia no obo hu de ro will create awareness. Ya no na beton ko for us bibi koso nti ye nyina ye nko. Nti eye adwuma I was say any management na say supporters leaders na say ne ye hwe kwampa ye befa so a me de bia me ka say se nipa nko stadium you can't blame only the regional chairman. A total work, a holistic, I was paying for even pricing of you get, so it's also a factor. Ticket. The people say, are we charging a fee supporters timitria? And you charge say, a bit me, I had to say a demand and supply. What the price no fall demand to me, I can say, do also a cost demand no fall. Nina idea was if any na enti juma minua they say send how can ye win but people are not coming enunti na ne match ye person ye catch your supporters minua football no die che iska
sure
sika en sika no supporters na was ye yidi boa team no enunti ye ku ye nim no was ye increase ye number of supporters are costed on support ye team no. It means increasing that, then we also look at your family census now. To me, we will in management accounting our topic be your friend target costing. We need to know our costs as supporters. Say okay, Kotoko crab, so maybe this is our cost. You cable maybe a 60 billion. So 60 billion. No. Supporters don't send us a better for census now. You bet me. A triasa bill no every month. Nina was say years our calculations nina ni who say. Then say the number of supporters I work for boost census ye triano. It's not enough. Yeah, we share a platform no say we nipa over about 20,000, but emu 8 to 9,000 etueska every month dodo na register keke enti ni nyina ya ade a wo se ye hwe because Africa ye pre ho se ye bekoi menua the key two factors are ema ye kwa yinru ba bia ye sikasem number 1 and then 2 the quality of our players and then ye de nya quality no sika and ye de be kwa ye technical bench we need to get quality bench just say player we also changing over number 2 who say yes I was me changing over number 2 ni nyina ye sika to hire a good coach enti menua Kotoko no ye bibia because we Africa this time round because ohene handle ni team no we recruitment or yeah to me it's Africa standard the experience wise no boy say we for now we can go the question is say akesika me yemfe yani nto ohene nko aso say ono nko amosa aka no e was supporters ye beboa enu nti na make say afa bu census no ya ade a e beboa ya me nya sika enu nti quickly no e mese mpanyimfo nya meboa ni ye ball league ni ya mommoa ni ento ya ba nentem say me na me win whoever wins no e was said that one should be our top priority say ne be ya ibenya dom a ombewo so ni ya boa because your players are omu konyira omu stay say we interview all the players will be because of 1 or 2 years time I have to leave World Cup because of what because of sikasem and if Kotoko can pay 5,000 plus 10,000 plus then at the end of the day nobody leaves then will be between time over say ka player bi wo na timi say say akwa we dey ni kwa say manoko ayi kwa your friend mu call akwai na ha me papa but ni nyina ne say offer wonya no can we pay the same offer here the question is no and a serious team when you will be finish a good finisher say na sika wo ha na wo say en trans say masa now you increase where you could say you hear you do kwa Africa
ko Tanzania so bo no
that is it and timinu ya Kotoko supporters mesremo football no enye ba akofo na betimi di nisika ye Kotoko mesremo eye yen supporters na wo say boa team no enti ye bobo na wotena fie a echese the team is losing ye lose ska enti ye besre match we afi we de mama ya boka awie ya na ya me aboka supporters ya me aboka awie but going forward no yen start from Wachina wa wutie me Nhyira FM bia no yen start from Wachina league senior ayara kan ye betima je league na Wachina a must win for us ye win China ne ya sesa ye nkuku ne saka nyina ne de ko baabia ni nya team a sabio se Kotoko ni bre ye fa obia fa no tools ye a baabia ni betima say no and no player by player Kotoko we are ahead of baabia ni team no but the question is ye tena ho ani ejabo management no so IMC no so omonko akwa ombetwa fe so intimesre Wachina de ba hook or crook win na me boa ne nya wi a ye nya ya adwene say 3 matches na aka no ye wini ni nya ye wie na baby e be kwa akoda no then the decisions are and from say bebo say me then we look at how it goes but FA Cup no say ye quarter kwan so ekoye adwuma no minim say ye final match ne
likely say we
Kotoko what the make say hon the next
more for how African names
hon there but here the keep Champions League Kotoko there edu baby a yes best no enti aye best no
on am level
okay hon here level but say league na anyi ye na yenya we no so at least ni nyina land yen because confederation edu baby a hokra na edin say the Champions League because omo fall from the Champions League e hon no timi hu say wa anyero ho a e hokra wunuru baby enti minua yeni abre and meka say national chairmanship ambition the message supporters since start no dra yes why ye bi de ene ye di ni gina atweno no adwuma ne ye bi da yesua ho ade ye hu de tie enti mistakes ye no region no ye ba national ye nye na ya boa team no na Simba we read Simba omo supporters na ka omo hu bo mu say this time around on be boa mama qualify for championship and say omo tena say a plan e no omo timi ma omo team no qualify for championship no And since then, no, they've been consistent.
Oh, Africa.
And Kotoko supporters, we need to do a lot. That is why I always say, Nyame Boamina, I mean, we need this around there. Yeah, Kono, Chessa, yeah, Kono ni brepa because team no ya catchy. In terms of BBA, Oma and on board brain, you know, and we need a supporters base. Yeah, ready to support. Okay. And your supporters, Baba Casa Debia and Tokwa Radio, so here and there. That thing should be a thing of the past.
Okay.
You should be maybe some so at least 100 cities, Mitriama for boost sensors. And to also send out at least 5 cities to 100 cities. You can pay one. Na yentime muama ya supporters base no enkona ntime de meka say so far me na question no ma answer achebe
no my last question
because
my last question be say because
mo hine ban so mrem na
enche na mukodi Simba day no mukodi Simba day ena me na o kase enne Simba ebo the first leg of the finals of the Confederations Cup Morocco against RS Berkane. They've been very, very consistent. Omoko near you, and ne Simba about the first leg of the finals of the Confederations Cup. So my question in here, there are 2 national circles abasa over the years. It seems that this particular one is unique kakra because of the proposal from Nana Penkra said, obese this time. The Fabu census register no etu. What that will mean and say this time around see you as chairman unye national circles chairman nko we national Kotoko circle Kotoko supporters a chairman because you won't conform more Fabu census register as well omunye circle members. See my question is simple. Sa proposal no who as a person who is saying and sasana yedi tu anamo akoye ni me free na krona. How do you change yourself from not just being circles chairman but Kotoko supporters in a chairman, whether you are under the umbrella of circles and I say onye the umbrella so unique anamona se say Kotoko kumno sign a wo fano.
In fact, Matisa proposal no and your last conversation candidates no yene ahimfie nya no the idea was say yenyina supporters no yenye baako na yen champion one vision ema club no nti sa proposal e buy no nyame nwanwa and I welcome it. Yanu so nti na hia say going forward no it means that whoever wants to be a level-headed person, you can bring everybody on board. And to me, a good idea say, "Yenina ebe can boom." Na, and na make us say minya. Then the idea of circle, a way of doing things, needs to be changed because now a choir befasa register your supporters should also be looked at. And the circles in there, and the mother body are the whole country. In the other platforms, only we now groups. You belong to a community. Community no. You ally to our community. Now you say okay, me will even face for cry now. Me belonging to a community. So that community circle, I'm part of it. And you know near share, and you will be a casa more belonging to that community. Two bastard do my baby, Bantama 40. Okay, hobby. You go and sit there. Though you join a platform, move wedding. Na yenina anti ye rally, yenina ye ko one place. Akwa ye rally. Who yenina yakoye. Anti who register so you register to belong to that community. Ti whom say, oh, Bantama 4 na ye circle 4. Second, ye Bantama chairman, you belong to a circle 4, all right. Ye be bia munyamo your part. Na ye nyina ye timasinge one song. Because ya nyane sa na identity mu we nya sika kakra me koya doye me ye put your resources together. Se say we can December. Omude omu nko ofo beko Morocco. Kotoko tu kwankro ntimi fa supporters nko. Because ya chichi ye mu. There should be a time ye nyina itimi ka ye hu bom na you put your resources together at least you bet much at flash for at least 200 or
300 supporters be a
venue ayara ade media me welcome and e be boa so ama ye nyina ye hu so okay because amafo busase for busanso so nkra me tua so mfa so ne se abrochi wo mutua they vote for the president and to see started with the national chairmanship. It's a good idea. Send me by Obi or
because I'm the chairman.
Yeah, I'm the buy into Okasa meeting.
You be a chairman. Yes,
and Tiena yet to obey chairman. Na nipa no kasa they will listen.
Okay.
If you program here the baby as almost by the some near the Aboya club.
Chairman, and I'm bringing questions baby.
And I about to travel, but I'll do that.
Obana yeden komono at the atosba mi kobi man ka bi de ha dwen. Minu se wo ba woni o henba eben so ne ba. Henba na ochina eniema to say Kotoko ahun bo to say.
All right. Nyama ochina de bibia da na kwam by 12 o'clock there near be gate no.
Okay.
Supporters ni na meboy over by Sports Stadium. When say 4 games na aka no. Etimi shedi nyina na probability say betima de league no ayo. Because or say etimi share 4 ni nyina dia na say ye be say league answer.
Okay. It start from China. It is
China game no. Say Lucidia na say yen ni free so. It is Namia more China and supporters in Yamba Stadium near my support 12 o'clock near B gate. No, I had 30 cities, 50 cities, 70 cities.
30, 50, 70.
Yeah,
30 for Punechi, 50 for Center Line, and 70 wings or
yeah.
Okay.
Into Yenina, Oba no chair, no room, no share support to club na because open leg in Ajadia. I was a Sanyama winning now to me do gym because they do be a crucial game. That much you know against dreams in the day. Say Yantima and said the next young forget it. Tibet Major Leg in I supporters in Namia Doma Sunday China. Yenina Yamba na Yama support club na NFFF. Now me will me chairman the end. Yenina yenim Jumedia chairman be was until
sacrifice
papa. And if you idea about what everyone say unzo no kwane chairman obedi so no oko no post after the 4 years.
So obi ehun
adwuma ye nti wanye sa adwuma na nto a nke nka se ko no post obi an contest.
Okay.
Sa nti no person the bad national.
To na am dem support.
Na ye to support na man.
Okay.
Nti we supporter we de kuma to ye mo ba.
Okay, yeah, that's a part. Chairman, minimum so one send me ka. Ever sound rubber na. Minimum did so I didn't know war at the team no. And you himself supporters and the best show when you sacrifices our idea team no. You do work on national level. Na okoso asum at the Kotoko no. Na sisi ade de be kan say all the best.
Thank you.
Ni ni so bebe mu so.
That's
Yama kwala sinimrem kakra bi na abiwa di team no. And to us